Today we're going to look at another group of LE words, but first we have 3 new trick words for this unit. I wrote them in blue on the top line. Make sure you write them in your student notebook or somewhere where you can get them. A lot of you are missing trick words on your test, and there should be no excuse for that. You should be writing these down, and wherever you write them down, you can use that during the test. So these first 2 are similar because they both have the LE. But in all 3 of these words, the OU is making the sound, which is why they're trick words. We have couple. A couple means 2 of something. Trouble, like you're in trouble. And young. So all 3 trick words this unit use OU as and then 2 of them have our LE that we're working on. Couple, trouble, young. Make sure you get them written down in a place that you can use for your test when we take it. Now, the LA words we're going to look at today have R-controlled vowels in the first syllable. I've been having you write the sounds for R-controlled vowels on most tests because you got to keep them fresh in your mind. So the first syllable in all of these will have an R-controlled vowel. Sometimes they make sometimes they make R, sometimes they make or, and then they'll have a letter and then LE in the second syllable. So I'm just going to do one example. Hurdle. If you hurdle something, that means you jump over it. So first I need to think about her. I can use ER, IR, or UR. I know that the word her is ER, but for hurdle, it uses UR. And you're going to find most words that make the sound in the first syllable that have the LE at the end will be using UR. Her, dull, D, L, E. So my first syllable is her. I circle my R-controlled vowel, UR, and this is an R syllable. Yeah. And then my second syllable, dull, is a dash LE syllable. And then I slash my E. Hurdle. So all the words you're going to get to spell and mark today will have an R-controlled vowel at the end of the first syllable that needs to be circled, and they'll have another sound and then LE. So your first word to write and mark is purple. Her favorite color was purple. Your second word is marble. I found a marble under the table. Marble. Your third word is turtle. We have a pet turtle. And your last word to write and mark is startle. If you startle someone, that means you surprise them and kind of scare them. Startle. Your sentence today is kind of a long one. There are 11 words in it. So definitely make sure you listen to it as many times as you need to get all the words. I'm going to say it more than once. The sentence is, there are a couple of young turtles at the pet store. Again, there are a couple of young turtles at the pet store. 11 words. Make sure you have a capital to start, spaces in between, and a period at the end. One more time. There are a couple of young turtles at the pet store. Make sure you check your work before you submit it on Seesaw.